Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. Welcome back to another Coupon Topic Tuesday video. I have a playlist linked in the description box below of all the other Coupon Topic Tuesday videos that I have done. There's a whole lot of them, so if you're new to my channel, definitely click on that and watch the ones that would be of interest to you. And again, I'm always up for suggestions for new topics and specific questions that you would like for me to devote a whole video to. So leave those in the comments below. Let's go ahead and get started with today's topic. Today's topic is going to be my thoughts on the changes of Fetch rewards. So throughout the years of couponing, we see all different kinds of changes to store programs, to apps, all different kinds of things. We've unfortunately seen some really great programs end. We've seen new programs start. That's just the way it is with couponing. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about this. I've been thinking about this for a while. It's not as bad as what you may think it is. It just kind of depends. So let's just look really quick at what the changes of the rewards are. So I noticed this change a couple of weeks back, closer to Christmas, when they changed the amount of points needed to buy gift cards. They used to be straight up even. 10,000 points equals $10. 25,000 points equals a $25 gift card. There was a few exceptions like Walmart. And I think they had some prepaid card options, which I never cashed out to because of that, because you had to pay more and it wasn't worth the value. So for me, I was turning my Fetch points into CVS gift cards to use at CVS for couponing deals and to just, continue on with rolling, quote unquote, because you're using CVS gift card money, rolling and doing deals that way. So truly and honestly, when I was doing Fetch deals, they were straight up profit moneymaker and I could count the dollar per dollar. Now it's a little different because of this change. So now I would primarily use Amazon and CVS. If I had any other particular places that I knew we were going to be spending money on anyway, I would cash out with Fetch and then throw that cash that we were going to use in with my couponing/grocery money, if that makes sense, just so I wasn't spending grocery money. I was not using Fetch as a splurge, shopping spree, cash out for a gift card and go have fun. That's not the way I was using Fetch. I was using Fetch truly to roll the deals, the points, however you want to consider it. So it has changed. So now for Amazon gift cards, just for an example, for the $10 gift card, you're paying $12.50 for a $10 gift card. That doesn't really look so great, but there are some other options. Restaurants, mostly from what I can see. I think there was a few stores where you're actually paying less points for a gift card. So kind of all depends on what you're doing. The $25 gift card will only cost you 23,500 points. So you're getting a little bit of a discount there. It just depends on how you like to cash out. So I don't know if we're going to be able to still consider Fetch deals as moneymaker deals when you're paying extra for the gift card. I'm not really sure why they started doing this with the points. I'm sure there's a reason, maybe with the specific people that the companies that choose to do gift cards through them. I'm not really sure because it seems like about 50% say you're going to pay more for the gift card and 50% say, you can have a discount. So I don't really know what makes what company do what. I'm not sure on that, but it is something to be aware of. So do I like this change? Particularly, no, I don't, because of the way I was using Fetch. I was not using it as probably what it was created for, and the average person is like splurge money, buy what you normally get gift cards back. It's great. But when you're doing those specific deals to get the specific dollar amounts back, and then that amount is reduced when you go to redeem your points for gift cards, I know it's not by a whole lot, guys. It's $2.50 difference for a $25 gift card. So if you think about it, are you really getting those deals? Sometimes I get bonus points for things I didn't even try to do a deal on and it gave me bonus points on. So that's kind of adding towards that also. I don't think it's that big of a deal, like quit using Fetch. It's horrible. No more deals with Fetch anymore. It's not that bad. So I'm going to continue doing Fetch. I'm going to continue using those point deals that they offer. It's just not going to be as, amazing. And when they offer those 100% back, it's not truly going to be 100% back, because when you pay for the points to redeem your gift cards, if you're doing one of the higher value gift cards, but it's still a really great deal. Fetch has some really great offers. I'm going to continue using it. I'm just going to keep going with it. So if you want to leave your thoughts and comments down below, I'm sure there's people that have quite differing opinions than I do. Go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.